bag full of Sephora. The first two things we have is a caffeine eye sheet mask and a charcoal sheet mask. These are really cool. These are by the Cream Shop. Detoxifying and brightening, and this is brightening and anti-dark circles. They have mask, or they look like masks from like Mardi Gras, which is really cute. So I will give these a try and let you know what I think. The next item I got was a Sephora brush for your concealer and foundation. This is the number 203. The next one we got here is, what is this for? This is another Pro Feathered Weight Collection. This is the number 90 brush, and it's just got a round tip, very, very soft. I like Sephora's brushes. Everyone knows I like to clean my brushes. I have different techniques. I have the solid little bar to clean. I have the little brush machine that it spins. You put it in the water and it spins. But I don't want to use a lot of water and soap to clean a lot of my brushes, because it does start to make them thin out and it just ruins them. This here I found, even cleaning my brushes with soap and water, and even with like little wipies, all you do is spray this on and it just like turns them back to their original color. They're just clean all over again. It's like brand new. So I got me a big bottle of this. I had a small bottle and I really stretched it out as far as I could. But this is a quick drying, alcohol-free brush cleaner. The next item, everybody knows I like my Olaplex. I got a bottle, number 3. I have the number 1 and number 2 that I do the treatments, standalone treatments. And then this is another one that's a take-home to do. And then I have 4 and 5, which is the shampoo, which I did a video on that as well. So this is another treatment to do my hair, to take care of my hair. Then we got, they gave me the Peter Thomas Roth 4-Step to Fabulous. This has firm peeling gel. This is a Hungarian thermal water mask, and then another water drench, and then anti-aging cleansing gel, which is this little pack here. It comes in a cute like Sephora box. But these are just like a little, I guess little trial sizes. Give it a try, see if you like it. I will be testing those out and seeing how those work out. The next thing I got, which I love, I do find that it can be a little heavy at times, but I do enjoy it because it has an extreme, just full coverage. But this is waterproof. This is the Tarte Rain Forest of the Sea. This is the broad spectrum. It has SPF 15 sunscreen in it, but this is the foundation, and this is in light sand. I love Tarte products. Here, it's very thick. Very nice consistency. I like this product. So I'm gonna put my things away as we're talking, because I have space. Here is the Tarte Skincare Drink Up H2O. Anything for the face, I'm rocking it. Here's the jar. And here's the product. Does it, I mean, kind of smells, I guess, watery. I guess, I don't know how to explain it. Then here we have the friction stick. This is the Tarte Skincare again. This is the charcoal, the friction stick. here, I like this. Putting it on my face and washing my face, it does so well. And then I have the oil, the macaroni oil, which I just think is so amazing. I have the oil here too that I like to use. Then we have Bling Boss. This is the Morph Jacqueline Hill eyeshadow palette. And here's her cutie face over here on the back of the package. And this is the cute package. It's glittery. And voila. We have here. These are the shades to this particular palette. And it's got, of course, the pinks. I mean, it does have the gem. The purple is pretty. The Berry Treasure's pretty. Rockstar is pretty. Sparks is pretty. But most of the palettes, like I said, they all have pretty much the same shades. But I really like this. I can't wait to give it a try and test this bad boy out and see what it's all about. Okay, so here we have, voila! This is the Too Faced Then and Now eyeshadow palette. Look at the packaging, how cute. It's all like glittery. It's so cute. And then they give you the colors, the name of the colors, the shades on the back. So open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, how cute. Here it is. This is cute. This is big. This is actually a big palette. So, oh, how cute. So here we go. We have 1998 shades are the top, the 10 original. Then you have Too Faced 2018, the originals reinvented. So here, if you can see, they're pretty shades. They're small, each individual one, but they are pretty. And they have the matte, they have the shimmer. They're pretty. And it's a big palette. The only thing is that they're very small. There's 10 eyeshadows, and there is, let's see, let me put on my eyebrows. Okay, so they have 10 eyeshadows, and then they have that are 10 grams a piece, which is 40 ounces a piece. Then you have 10 eyeshadows again that are a little bit larger, and they are 1.25 grams, 4 ounces, total weight 12.5 grams. So this is, I guess, their palette that they did to create when they started. This must be their anniversary palette. Yeah, so it's a 20-year palette. So it just says here, it all started with Two Boys, a Dream, a glitter eyeshadow. Back in 1998, we launched the original 10 eyeshadows that brought fun and glamour back to the beauty industry. To celebrate our 20th birthday, this limited edition Then and Now eyeshadow palette features the original 10 shades in a modern formula, of course, and 10 completely new shades inspired by the originals, re-imaged with a 2018 twist. Go ahead, overindulge. Everything smells like yummy birthday cake. Hey, oh, it does. It smells like a birthday cake. Ah, it smells good. And the cute thing is, like, the mirror here is all glitter too. You have the mirror and all around it's glitter. Just the same as the outside and the back. This is so cool. I really, really like it. And then you have here, celebrating 20 years, fabulous. They give you a little booklet, Then and Now palette. And then again, you have the different colors and then they tell you step by step what ones to use to create that look. This is really, really, I like this. Cool little palette. And you have, oh, ah, that's pretty. That's very pretty. I like that. I might try that. That might be my first one that I might try. Then this one is Lost Boys. And this one is Oh La La. That looks pretty too. So, that's pretty darn cute, isn't it?